Hello everyone and welcome to the second part of my new tutorial. So today we're gonna focus on the book.json file because it's a file that requires an entire episode because it's complex and it will have the entire architecture of our book. So I'm gonna stay here on this book.json. So I have another one which is the book.json of my electronic tablet for my Electrona mode. So you're gonna see after what I did, an application. So today we're on our book.json from the last episode. So as you see, we have the name, the landing text, and the version, but there are so many things more. So first of all, we can talk about the book texture, which is the book, the background of the key. We can use any location. So if you want to use it, we can put it here, name it book underscore texture, okay, and there you can put I don't know, Electrona, no, patchouli support /textures/ and then we're gonna put I don't know, tutorial underscore book underscore key dot png and comma, don't forget the comma. So what does it mean? It means that in the texture folder of your workspace, you will have to create another folder named others, and in this others folder you will have to create or to paste the tutorial boogie.png. So I will show you in the other episode how I did this. Next, we have the filler texture. So this is the texture for the filler page, because when a page is empty, you have just a cube. So this texture will, if you want, I don't know, a diamond, then you can put a diamond. So if you want, you will have always to set this patchouli support dot I forgot, this is a double dot, not a slash. So if you want to write it, it's filler texture underscore texture, and I don't know if I want to put patchouli underscore support double dot textures / diamond filler dot png, and this is it. Next we have the crafting textures. So if you want to define a custom background for crafting entries, then you can do it. We'll see about entry in another episode. So I'm just gonna show you how to write it. So it's crafting underscore texture, and like the previous one, you can put patchouli underscore support double dot textures / I don't know, crafting background dot png, comma. So this is for the crafting texture. So next, there's the model. The model is a texture if you don't want to have the default book. So you can always change it. So you just have to put model double dot. And I don't know if you want to put another book, because there are more patchouli models by default. So you can put, I don't know, patchouli double dot book underscore cyan, Okay, so this is if you want to have another color, but if you want to have a custom one, you can put patchouli underscore support double, I don't know, custom books. And we'll see in another episode how to create this model, and I'll show you later my book, The JSON. If you want, you can configure colors. So I'll put you the whole page in the description. So the text color, the header color, the nameplate color, the link cover, the progress bar color, the progress bar background. You can also make an open sound. So when you open the book, so you can have a sound. So this is it, open sound, and I don't know, patchouli underscore support dot opening books, for example. You can have a flip sound, you can have an icon index, you can have a show progress. So show progress is very useful because if you see in the last episode you had a progress bar, you can hide it or not. So this is show underscore progress, and you have a boolean, so you can put, I don't know, false, okay, without this, okay. This is just the boolean, false or true. You have the version, so the version we put it here, okay. Next, you have the subtitle, which is which could take the place of the version. If you make the version 0, then the subtitle will appear under the name of your book. So I don't know if I put a version 0, and if I put version 0, and I don't know if I put subtitle, that again you can use what we use here. So you can either make I don't know, this is the best book ever, okay, or you can put patchouli underscore support dot tutorial underscore book dot subtitle, and in the localization tab you will have to put the description for it. And then you have the creative tab, which is useful because by default it's in the miscellaneous tab. So here you can put, I don't know, patchouli underscore support item tab, and if you create an item tab, this will be it. So by default you have building blocks, decoration, redstone, transportation, myths, food, tools, combat and brewing. Then you have the advancement tab, don't generate book, because it's true only if you know what you're doing. This won't make the book as we saw in my tutorial, the first part. You will have to create it, but I don't know if it's makeable with mCreator. You have also a show toast if you don't want to see notification. You can use a blocky font or not, and you can also when you open the book, like when you open a key, like when you open a shop on Minecraft, you can set pause game. Right here, so I forgot the comma, pause game, and you can set to true, so it will make that if you open your book, the game will stop in the background, okay? So I don't know, mobs will not move anymore, etc. So this is almost everything. I'm gonna purchase the wiki for you to have all of this in the description. And as you see, this is my electronabook.json. So this is the name, the localization index. This is the localization index for the long text. I have the version 1. I created the model for my electronic tablet. I set it show progress to false. This is the creative tab of my electronic tablet. This is the show toast, so I don't want to have new notifications. And this is the book texture, so this is where my background is. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Next time we'll see more about entries. This was everything I had to show you for book.json, and bye bye.